Hello and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro. So we'll show you everything in here, but we also are going to test everything with the MagSafe charger. This is one of the official silicone cases, so we're going to be checking that. But I also have a bunch of different types of cases right there to see if the MagSafe works through those. Without further ado, let's get into this. Per usual, we love the plastic. And we got it in silver, as you can see. It's got that nice matte finish, and wow, it feels very good. The corners are obviously sharper than before, but it feels pretty nice. Let's do this. Okay, and there we go. We have the iPhone. We get USB Type-C to Lightning there. There are no headphones or charging brick in the box. And as you can see, we get a SIM tool, which we'll use, and one Apple sticker. So it's sad that we only get one Apple sticker, but at least we get one. So we'll start this up. Let's do a quick setup. So quickly, I want to show Verizon does give you a specific 5G SIM. I'm not sure how necessary this is because with Android phones, I've used 5G without a 5G specific SIM, but it is interesting to see. Okay, so we're back as it finally updated and everything. Quick first impressions. As you can see right there, the stainless steel really smudges up on this model. I didn't feel that on my iPhone 11 Pro or the iPhone XS Max. But yeah, it smudges up a lot. It's not going to look as good on there, but I really do like the edges, as I told you. And we'll do the case thing now. So obviously, we have the MagSafe charger, and it goes on, and it charges the phone, right? So weird bit of friction with the metal part there. But here we have the MagSafe case, and we're gonna try it here first. Obviously this is gonna work. Wow, this case feels nice. Really like that. And then I have the silver, so I really like the silver and blue look here. Easy enough. You just put it in there and it charges. Now let's see if we try non-Apple cases. These are not for the iPhone 12 Pro. I do have a couple that are, but I'm gonna try some of these ones that probably wouldn't be working anyway, but you can still get them. This one's from Poetic, so let's just see if it goes through or not. It does charge through this, but it doesn't click on magnetically. But with this style, it's still gonna be able to charge via Qi wireless charging. It's hard to show because the camera cutout's not perfect, but I thought you guys could see for a second that it did actually charge there. So then we'll use the clear case. So this is just a clear case. This is actually for the iPhone, and this is from ESR. Simple looking case, looks nice. Now let's see if it magnetically attaches. So it still magnetically attaches and charges, as you can see right here. So that looks pretty good, which means you're not going to need to get that case to be able to use MagSafe on here, which is a good thing to see. So this is a plastic case. This was for my S10. It's not going to fit perfectly or anything, but let's just see if it can get through. And I do feel, and you could hear it charging. So I felt a little magnetic. It's not going to go exactly on because this is a little bit bigger than my S10, but it looked like through this kind of plastic-like feel, it does magnetically charge on here, which is a good sign. It means that third-party cases are a lot of times going to work on here. And this is a thicker one through Poetic again. I don't think this one's going to work because of how big it is, but we'll see. It's like we're checking someone's pulse here. Yeah, it doesn't look like it does on that one. But there's that on all those cases. So I hope that helps. I'm going to be making a lot of videos on this, so let me know what you want to see out of it. It seems pretty quick and smooth so far, but what do we expect from an iPhone? And yeah, hope you all enjoyed, and peace.